Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy day out there to everybody watching. Today I want to do something hair related. I grabbed this from Ulta, my last order. I can't tell you what it is because I got gifts, but it's the KITSCH Pro Small Bun Shaper right here. You can do a French twist and a top knot. I have short-ish hair, but I thought we'd give it a try. This is the small one. Did I say that? But anyways, they have two different sizes. There's a big one in different colors. But anyways, if you're excited, go ahead, stay tuned. We're going to play with my hair. If you are new here, I absolutely love it that you clicked on my video. If you wouldn't mind smashing the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future fun. But yeah, like I was saying, I ordered this on a whim. I was ordering gifts. So I can't tell you, but anyways, some things that I do have in front of me. I have some clear little elastics. I have regular bobby pins, and then I also have the mini ones and like a bunch of barrettes because I have short hair and you never know. Barrettes can make or break something, and sometimes it just kind of takes it to the next level. I don't have anything done with my hair. Kind of have loungy clothes on because I got this mainly to see if I could fast mom hair, like fast mom do my hair. Does that make sense? I'm a mom of 4. I'm highly caffeinated. Gotta get that coffee in. But on the back here, it does show you how you could do this. I mean, she's got really long hair. We'll see. Maybe I could do half up with this, which I mean will kind of help. I don't have anything in my hair. This is air dried. So I took a shower and I did like mom chores, and now here we are filming this fun hair tool thing. It does say on here there's some tips and tricks, but you can also set wet hair before bed to wake up with voluminous waves. We might have to try that. Okay, the price is on here. This is only $6. So it's foamy. I did get brown. I believe they had like blonde. There's a wire in there. You know, I had one of these when I was in, was it junior high? Yeah, I was in junior high. Only it was like a foot long and it was like hot pink, like neon pink. And I tied it in my hair like every day. Did anybody else have those? Anyways, so you put your hair through here and we just kind of twist. So I'm going to try the French twist first because I won't keep my hair like that. I'm more interested in the bun. Doesn't look like she is pulling her hair back in a ponytail at all. So we're going to try the French twist. Hopefully that's even showing up. Oh, okay. I'm also not using, I'm just using my fingers. Again, I'm trying to make this so it's fast hair. I think I'm going to try parting down the middle, maybe. My hairstylist gave me the cutest haircut, and it actually is kind of cute. Like, parted down the middle. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Anyways, so we pull it out and then twist. Let's, oh, am I going to be able to do this? We'll see. Okay, I'm going to twist all the way around. It's going to be kind of echoey because I'm going to be talking to the wall. I will try to turn it up in editing, but here we go. Okay, I'm going to first try this without any bobby pins, and I'm just going to squeeze my hair through here. Like this, and try to hold it. And we're losing stuff. So that's probably as far as I'm going to get. I'm going to start turning in. Like that. And then what did she do? She, okay. We need bobby pins. So she twisted it like so, and then pulled these in and bobby pinned those in. Like that. But you're going to see this. See if we can squish that in there. Sure, we can. Okay, so that's squished in pretty good. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and then start pinning the hair. Hopefully around, yeah. Just taking, because my hair is quite short, I mean, compared to other people, I'm taking from the top here and then
pushing it over top of the, I lost my bun thing, over top of the bun, kind of tight, but that way it's going to hide the brown thing. You could leave this, although I'm going to just err on the safe side. Just go in and around. The bobby pins tucked in. So only a little bit fell, actually. I'm kind of surprised. Let's see. I mean, it feels really, really secure in my hair. I don't feel like it's coming out, although these bobby pins are not locked in. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, so I'm just taking a second bobby pin and locking all of those in. Okay, I have all of these pins locked in here, and I think what I'm going to do just with this is I'm just going to pin it up into like the crease here. Just kind of give it a little twirl and lock it in with the other ones. Just to be on the safe side, taking a second one right here and locking that one in as well. This is actually really, really cute, and I'm kind of excited. I mean, you could pull a little bit down here, make it a little undone, and it just kind of go about your day. I'm so excited about this. I love that it's like loose right here. It doesn't feel super tight. Actually, when I wear a hairband, it actually is tighter. And this took me no time. It actually probably will take me less time not talking, and now that I've got the feel of it. And anyways, oh, I'm so tongue-tied today. Anyways. But I really, really like this look. I will do this. I probably just on an everyday kind of thing. I wouldn't, but you could absolutely dress this up. Put some, I don't have any in front of me, but you could put like some rhinestone right there and make it a really, really beautiful updo. I have short hair and it's all up, and oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to take this down and we're going to try the bun. Okay, it definitely is stretched or bent back really, really nicely, right? Kind of just how it was. So I'm excited. I will say, like, it doesn't bend like this way. It just goes like forward or backwards. I guess you can see it that way. Okay, so for the bun part, it does show to put it in a ponytail first. And my hair, if I do that, we have like a ponytail. So actually what I'm going to do, I think, is like a half up ponytail, and I'll show you how I wear. A couple times I've had like a messy bun on top of my head. My hair obviously doesn't even go into a ponytail up here, but I'll show you how I do that. So we're going to incorporate a braid into it. So basically how I do that is I attempt to get as much hair up as I can into a pony. Of course, if you've got longer hair, you would have better success with this. But I also don't like it too messy or too like tight. Anyways, and I'm just going in with one of these clear elastics. Tons of it fell down, and that's okay. Like I said, we'll just braid it. But this is as long of a ponytail as I can get. And I still have a whole mess of hair down. So we'll deal with that in a second. So this one, kind of the same thing. You roll down, and then you just, it's supposed to give you that pretty ballerina bun that I can do when I have long hair. But I cannot right now because I've got a little ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and spin around again, grab my bobby pins, and let's get this up. Okay, so I'm going to take and open this. Hopefully I'm in frame. I'm just now thinking of that. But we're going to pull it up and then start rolling downward. And then kind of twist it. So it actually stays, like I don't need to do anything, but I'm going to move the hair around it so that we get that full circle kind of bun, and try to tuck the ends of it inside the hair. Okay, and then I'm going to take some bobby pins and bobby pin the hair together here so that we can kind of close that loop. Always working with blocking in the bobby pins. It does help them stay. You can still feel a lot of it. Pull more hair up. You could leave this little guy as just kind of hanging out there, but I am going to tuck it in, or try to anyways. And then I don't have anything locked over there, so I'm going to lock it in this way. I really do miss having buns. It's one thing about long hair that I do absolutely miss, and that's kind of why I am going to grow it out. Anyways, for the kind of mess that's left down here, because again I have shorter hair so it doesn't all go up, I'm going to take two little barrettes. These are pretty strong. I think I got these at Target, or I don't know, but just whatever you have on hand or whatever you feel like using. You also could use just bobby pins. Sometimes I'll do that, and I'll put like this circle over top of it. But anyways, this is a fast mom trick to look more done up than you are. So I'm going to spin again. How I do this, I make sure kind of comb through, and if anything else is going to pull it down. That way you don't have extra flyaways. And I'm just going to take and I'm going to braid this. So I just separate into thirds the whole group here. Try to make them even. Makes it easier to braid. And then I just braid them. I braid as high as I possibly can. Make sure that the braid is nice and flat. And with your barrettes, or if you have bobby pins, I mean, whichever you're using, go ahead and secure that to your head. And I always like using it too, just, I don't know, I just do. I always come from the other way. Make sure that you get the hair, the baby hairs. You can have them separated or stacked on top of each other, usually a finger length apart. And again, I usually just pull my baby hairs down because they're gonna fall anyways. It just kind of gives it the undone kind of look. I love this. I'm gonna keep wearing this all day. I like that you don't see it, and it is a fast bun. It's a little bit more secure, a little bit more put together than like the messy bun that I try to do with my short hair, but I mean, it'll grow out and everything like that. But I had fun with this. I'll keep using it, absolutely, and I will also try it wet to see if I like it. I might get a second one and then do like half and half, because otherwise, like, a lot of my side hair wouldn't be in the thing. So maybe I'll get a second one. But anyways, have you tried something like this? Do you like it? Did you like this hair tutorial? It's kind of quick today. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below about this KITSCH Pro Small Bun Shaper. I mean, have you tried anything? Anyways, if you have any more hair gadgets or something kind of fun, let me know, and I will try to get it up on the channel. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye!